I received a call from DSWD telling me na hindi na matutuloy yung payout. Sabi ko, bakit? Ano nangyari? Sir, pinahinto sa taas.
I think the issue concerning Congressman Olaso was raised. The Secretary has stated, Congressman Olaso, you can sit, but if we could be very, very brief, because Secretary Rex has already said that he had told you beforehand that the payout
Director, Madam Chair, the
regional
regional
director had informed you beforehand that the payout could not occur because the list had not been verified. And of course, you went on media and said otherwise.
Madam Senator, permission to speak. Congressman Kim Radan Lalasop from the First District of Zamboanga City. Ma'am, that is negative, ma'am. Hindi po totoo. We were already scheduled, ma'am. Yung payout namin scheduled on the 12th, on the 11th. Unfortunately, Secretary, after the filing of my candidacy for mayor last Tuesday, October 8, the following day, Wednesday afternoon, I received a call from DSWD telling me na hindi na matutuloy yung payout. Sabi ko, bakit? Ano nangyari? Sir, pinahinto sa taas. Sabi ko, bakit? Hindi pwede
Madalas
kasi...
naman nangyayari yan sa amin lahat eh.
Yes. Sabi ko, if that would be the thing, sabi ko nga, dapat give me a written letter. At least I can show that to the people na pinahinto sa taas. But the point of view there, walang written letter. And even the regional director, nag-text sa akin, sabi niya, sir, ayaw kong maipit. So sabi ko, I cannot stop the payout not unless you'll give me a written letter. Wala pong galing black and white from the SWD. That's my basically point of view. And until now, I met the regional director last Friday. Sinabi ko, ano nangyari? Sabi niya, wala talaga. Sabi ko, please come here, nandito sa payout. Pumunta kayo dito. Wala naman pumunta. So pumunta yung staff niya, pero hindi pumunta si RD. But pumunta doon, sinabi lang sa amin, stop yung payout. Ganun lang. But then after that, Madam Chair, sabi ko, I have to go and clarify with the regional director, ano ba talaga? At least he has to explain it to the people of Zamboanga City. Hindi pa pwede na lang na stop yung payout, walang dahilan. But basically, let us not drag things into, nung nag-file lang ako, kinansel lahat ng pondo ko. Sabi ko, wag naman sana daw ganun kasi itong pera na to binibigay sa mga Pilipino, hindi to pera ng mga magulang nila. Pera to ng taong bayan. This is taxpayers' money. So I really stand for it. And that's my thing. Hindi pa pwede iwanan natin yung taong bayan ng ganun. Because that is the program of our beloved President Bongbong Marcos and our Speaker of the House, Martin Romualdez, na dapat lahat ng naiiwan matutulungan dito sa bagong Pilipinas. Pero na ganitong nangyari, hindi po tayo masaya, Secretary. And that's not true na sinabi nyo kanina na you informed me earlier na hindi ready yung payouts. Nandito na sir, already na we posted on Facebook, that is already 3 weeks ago. We posted it, ready na. More than 12,000 payouts, pinakancel lahat. Bakit po ginaganon ako? Porket wala akong tatay, congressman o senator. I'm an OFW. Hindi po ako, I'm not, sabi ko sa iyo, hindi ako veteranong politician. I'm just new here. As you know, we're former colleagues in Congress. I'm a ship captain, OFW ako. But my heart belongs to the people. I want to serve the people of Zamboanga. Sana, Secretary, my colleague, tulungan mo ako dito.
Madam Chair, again, let me just state for the record, wala akong pondo ang congressman. Yung sinabing pondo ko, wala akong pondo ang congressman. These are department disbursed funds. As we speak right now, lahat ng opisina namin, anybody that walks into our office, pinoprocess ko yan. Now that list, that referral list that's given to us, I'll get it from Congressman Olaso right now. We'll look into it again. I'll talk to the regional director na kausap niya, who happens to be a career social worker. Nandiyan na ho siya, matagal na. Give me the list, I'll talk to the regional director, then if he says that the list is clean and it's ready for to be paid out, kasi talagang kailangan, then we'll pay it out.
Secretary, ang problema dyan, yan din ang sabi ninyo last year. Kaya si Senator Bongo nagdududa na rin eh.
Madam Chair, in the last hearing, I told the good senator, I think there's a miscommunication between his office and our office. The original list that they gave us, which we can give back, is a list of LGUs, not end beneficiaries. Binalik ho namin yun at sinabi namin, hindi ho itong mga beneficiaries, kundi mga local government units ho to. Kung pwede ho kami bigyan ng direct referrals.
Meron ho silang mga social worker naman po na mga qualified. Sabi ko lang naman sa inyo, pag qualified po yung beneficiaries, balikan nyo po. Hindi naman siguro kailangan umabot ng 1 taon para balikan po sila. Pwede naman yan 1 week. Tingnan nyo kung, alam nyo, Mr. Secretary, kung gustuin mo talaga, kaya nyo nga magtipon-tipon ng mga pagpupulong dyan, namimigay kayo ng ayuda, billion-billion in 1 week. Kaya nyo, sigurado ba kayong mga mahirap itong mga to na tinatawag ninyo, billion-billion is sa isang lugar. Bang mga disaster, kaya nyung mag-validate ng ito, ano yung itong iba, hindi yung madalikan. Ito ko, na maging selective kayo. Ito na sa kanyo ni Congressman Olaso, yung mga beneficiaries sa Zamboanga. At alam mo kasi dati ka rin itong naging kongresista. Nagkataon lang po, Mr. Secretary, nung naging congressman ka, naging mayor ka, ng Valenzuela, sa panahon ng dating Pangulong Duterte, sa panahon namin noon, ang higit lahat po ng mga sa panahon ng dating Pangulong Duterte, sa panahon namin noon, ang higit lahat po ng mga pangangailangan ng mga mahirap niyo doon, binibigay po sa inyo. Kung hindi kayo binibigay sa inyo, kabaliktaran po, makawa, tagalan, pinaparapan pa, abutan pa lang isang meron po akong next question. Kung sabi niya, ito na hold, ano ba ang rason kung bakit hindi natuloy yung payout sa lugar niya? Meron yung tanong po sa inyo, Mr. Secretary. Wala ho bang nagpapahold sa inyo na ibang lugar na itong bigyan kasi kalaban ito ng isang politiko? Wala ho bang record lang po, nanonood po ang ating mga kababayan and nag-record dito. Wala bang nagbawal sa inyo, pigilan o nag-hold kahit kailan po sa mga nakaraang buwan na naging secretary kayo ng Department of Social Welfare and Development, wala bang nagpa-hold sa inyo na huwag mo itong bigyan, i-stop mo ng payout kasi nakakalaban po yan. Wala bang ganong instance, Mr. Secretary?
Sir, let me reiterate.
Pakisagot lang, wala